Alright guys, so we entered here expecting bearish prices. I wanted to enter more at this area, but spread entered me in lower. I'm looking to see if price will come to the lower levels here, like ICT stated. We had a perfect 705 inside of that breakaway gap. So I'm hoping price holds here for us and goes lower like we want to see happen. I It's very, very, very volatile. You can tell with the way that it's moving. But so far, so good.
Big manipulation this morning. So we went back up into
Let's see if it holds in here.
858's inversion fair value gap with just above it. I'd want to see heaviness come in here and take out the sell side we've identified at 21.
Ooh, okay.
605.25. Right now it's struggling to get through that old breaker, so we want to see big candles to the downside here.
Did not happen, ICT. So the big candles to the downside did not occur. Okay. So even though we did get a quick move lower here, it was not the move. Unless they're just manipulating inside of this area. And will eventually come lower. But let's see on the higher time frame here what's going on. Yeah.
Note there has not been a first percent fair value gap yet since 9:30 opening, and we have 9:31 as a filter, so first percent fair value gap cannot form until at least 9:31.
I want to know this. So we wanted to enter here, but okay, we're entering here. And I need to be careful because we are entering with lots of lots. So I feel like I have been very heavy with my trading, very emotional the past couple of times, which sometimes can be a good thing. But it can help if we get lucky, right? So this was that area that ICT said should be used as resistance, which is why we um, entered there. I'm gonna do this here, buy stop here, buy limit here. And what we want to see
7:35, 1 minute fair value gap I gave you a little bit ago on the chart is below the 21,605.25 sell side. So
what is he talking about?
7:35, 1 minute fair value.
7:35. 35. He's talking about right here. This is where price is reaching for, probably.
Yep, I gave you a little bit ago on the chart is below the 21,605.25 sell side. So That's
All
where
right,
my eyes
guys.
focused right now.
Now we're just gonna hold price and see where it pushes to. We're up in profits, and yeah, so ideally we want to see price push lower from here.
735, 1 minute fair value gap I gave you a little bit ago on the chart is below the 21,605.25 sell side. So that's where my eyes focused right now. All right, so you want to screenshot that. That would be a hypothetical quote unquote partial if you were short from the inversion fair value gap at 858. And now we're looking at 730 lows and new day opening gap.
So my only
screenshot that.
My only fear here is getting stopped out. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna keep our stop loss above this orange level in hopes that we don't get stopped out.
Quote unquote partial if you were short from the inversion fair value gap at 858. And now we're looking at 730 lows and new day opening gap.
I don't know if we might get stopped here. I don't know if I need to trail my stop loss like above the breaker, because it could still come to the 50% of it. I want to see if we reach that bottom level for a buy limit. I really want to, catch the whole move lower. That's 275 points. So we are going to open up the stop loss a little bit. If we end up taking a loss here, at least we ended the day in profits and we're following along with ICT. So we caught the trade. I think that makes me super happy already that we caught it. We are inside of another 4 hour here, I believe. That's why price is reacting like that. Not a 4 hour. Oh no.